Ang daming ibon, no, nag-aabang sa mga bata at kumakain ng chips. Ang mga bata, ayan, no, gusto din nila. Ayan, ang dami nila. Meron pa sa taas, oh, ayan ang uwak. Pati uwak dito ay sa lupa na rin sila naghahanap ng makakain. Sa gubat wala na. Ahmad, the garbage, what you did? Yala, take the garbage. You see the workers there. After they will tell to security that you throw the garbage. Go and take. The bird not taking the garbage. Only food they're searching. Shoe garbage. Hey! Kumusta kabayan? See the bird? Ayan, oh, mga ibon. Ah? See, you see the big bird? Walk. Walk. Walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk. What is it? What is it that chips here? Yalla, throw again and they will come back. Give me, give me. I will throw it back. Oh, where they are? Come. Oh, chips. Ah. Ayan, oh. Walk. Oh. Ay, ako ha. Yalla, throw the other one. Chew. Hada, hada, hada. Oh. Take it and throw here. The rest? Are you sure? Eh. Oh, see? They'll coming. Come. See? Oh. They'll come here. Oh. Gutom na ang mga ibon. Who, girl and boy? Maybe they are walking around. You see, like us before, la? We are walking around. Walk, walk. Ako. Ala. Walk, walk, walk. Oh, see? Oh, come here. It's coming in the big tree. Oh, see? Wow. See? Pass up. See? Ah. Come move.
They will bite us.
You don't have food in your hand, no? Hey, walk. Walk. Oh, die again. Oh. Lumipad na sila. Yan. Doon sa kabila, oh. Nagbababa sila ng mga gamit. Parang may itatayo dyan. Ayun, sa kabila. Ano sis? Parang may tatayo doon. Ito mo. Yan. Baka kung anong palabas nila dyan.